while I have this on my wrist, if I ever want to alter the frequencies that it's enhancing my body with, I can go back to the SEFI playlists. I can always erase the frequencies from here. I can just hold it over the device, clear those frequencies. And when that's done, I can start imprinting frequencies again. So again, go to SEFIdots. You could see if there's something else you need for a different day, or you can go into homeopathics if you have any symptoms coming up. Write those in, then you can use homeopathics. Any imbalances going on with the body. It's just amazing how many frequencies we have. I've been dealing with some skin issues, so I'm going to add skin scan to see what I need the most out of these frequencies. And it came up with a list, and I can imprint some of these or a few of them, whatever is needed.